Dude, you know what really just grinds my gears about working for HPN?
What?
Is that like, we have to do all this content, and they send us to just total dumps like this.
Right? They send us to the beach. Like, what are they thinking?
In the middle of a workday?
Why?
Dude, I mean, for the content, right?
I guess, for the content.
For the content,
right?
you know. Dude, look at this. Made this
Right?
before?
I made that. I made this. You actually made the t-shirt, right?
Yeah, t-shirt, because you know, you gotta rep, when you go to the beach, like you still gotta rep, whether it's like tanks. I'm mad that I didn't bring my tank.
Ooh, the tank would have been a good idea,
Tank would have been clean. Yeah, you got your bucket hat going?
I got my bucket hat made with super color transfers.
There we go, got that sun protection.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, I wanted to customize my sunnies, but there's nowhere to put it. But I got my hat,
the
you know.
The hat looks nice.
You gotta protect your vision, you know?
Yes, sir.
I'm not trying to get a sunburned forehead.
Yeah, and you're not trying to.
Yeah. And then actually that beach towel looks pretty dope too.
Yeah.
I feel like for product testing, we should snap out on it.
Yeah. We want to make sure it's nap worthy, right?
Right. Because we can't be selling things that we don't stand behind.
Oh,
personally.
definitely not. We need to give them the stamp of approval.
Yeah, and then of course we need to make content.
Oh, yeah, and that too. I forgot about that, yeah.
Why do they have this out here when we could be working?
I want to be at my desk typing on a computer at least 200 words per minute.
It's tough. It's tough being us. Especially on a day like today. The umbrellas.
Oh, even though I almost forgot.
Right? Umbrellas customized.
I was like, why are we so cool right now, right? I prefer air conditioning, honestly.
Yeah, versus this. Even though the breeze is really perfect right now, like, doesn't beat AC in the indoors. Fluorescent lights versus this crazy sunshine. Yeah. The sacrifices we make, you know? Oh, it's tough making content for HPN.
It is. It's hard working for a heat press distributor.
Being a content creator in this industry, like, it really wears you down. You don't really have opportunities to relax.
Exactly.
And they make us do this garbage.
Yeah. What is this?
Jeez.
Why are we here?
Why am I should be working.
I want to be in a cubicle right now.
Yeah. So, you know, I mean, I'd much rather be at the office, but for the content.
For the content, I guess.
There we go.